Relation 6. Renata walks into restaurant. She sees her boyfriend Diego sitting at the table near the window and sneezes. He sees her and Jesus the home and sit down. They call the waiter and order 2 glasses of wine. He looks nervous and begins to talk. Look, I know this is unwork, but leave me. But Renata interrupts him. You don't now have to tell me. I could know you had. I was so saying while you called to invite me to lunch. I had missed you too. Now, saying each order of the coat of mom was the best thing for your relationship. I realize it now that you are the one for me. Let's forget the past. Things will be different from now. I promise you. Diego takes a deep breath and takes a sip of wine. Actually, I am inviting you to lunch because I didn't know I have met someone else.